Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before I start where we left off with our spring tour video, I just wanted to give you a look at some neighborhood turkeys. So we have a male turkey and there are 3 lady friends hanging out around him. Lucky guy. So in our last video, A Brief Spring Tour, we left off with these plants not really knowing where we were going to put them. So in this video, we finally have decided. If you want a list of all of those plants that we used, you can check out the last video, like I said, A Brief Spring Tour, because they were all listed in that video. When removing the plant, you do so upside down and you do it right over the hole. That way, if anything falls, the hole is right there to catch it. So not much changed with the raspberry bushes, but the raspberry surprise dianthus is in bloom now, which is great. We have the artemisia and the lavender, which now has some blooms that look like they're starting to pop up, which is really pretty. I love lavender. Our spirea is looking good, and more of the same there. Some empty space, but hopefully that won't stay that way for long. Our rose is looking pretty good, growing. Our deck planters look a little different. The curly willow branch is taking off. We've added some tomatoes, and we had to cut back on the annuals that was in this pot. So I actually forgot to mention this plant in the last video, but I believe this is a perennial salvia. I could be wrong. Let me know if I am in the comments what it is, if you think it's something different. The peonies look stunning. They smell amazing. Chives are in bloom. And I'm pretty sure that this maple here is my favorite. Jeremy's been hard at work in the backyard. He's always working. Creating the bed here and the window well. And just new and improved. And it's looking great. So there were just flowers on this before, and now there's actually strawberries on it. Early stages, but we'll be having strawberries before you know it. And then this plant here, the one that we did not plant, has berries on it now. And it's so beautiful. I love this. A few hours later, and just before sunset, Jeremy and I were out watering when we realized that there were 3 toads in our rock garden. Our rock garden we created about a month ago. And there's a video if you want to check that out. But since that video, we think that these toads have now created a life and a home here in our rock garden, and we're thrilled about it. I can't wait to share many more memories like this with you guys in the future, and hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.